Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, we are going to be making all of the recipes in this book. This is a 5-ingredient renal diet cookbook. It is available on Amazon. I will leave a link in my caption so you can follow along with me at home. All of these recipes are kidney friendly and beginner friendly. So without further ado, let's get into it. So today we're going to be making Napa cranberry goat cheese chicken. Before we get started, we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees, and I'm going to get a baking dish and line it with parchment paper. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 ounces of chicken breast, you're going to need fresh thyme, cranberry sauce, black pepper, goat cheese, and extra virgin olive oil. Any brand for these ingredients is totally okay. First, you're going to measure out 2 ounces of chicken. You're gonna wanna butterfly your chicken. So you're gonna cut it lengthwise so that you can fill it, but don't cut it all the way through. So there you can see that it's laid flat. So I'm gonna grab my baking dish and I'm gonna put this in it. So I'm gonna place the chicken like so, and we're gonna start stuffing it. Get your goat cheese. Okay, so I'm just going to flatten this in there so it's spread out nice and even. And then we're going to take our cranberries, take 1 tablespoon of this and put it on as well, and just kind of squish it down. So this is what it's looking like so far. Close it up. And we're going to sprinkle some olive oil on top and season it. So we need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Half a teaspoon of fresh thyme. Should probably take out the sticks. And sprinkle an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper on top. So you're gonna stick this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. So let's go put that in the oven together. Wow, look at that. Okay, so I will say off the hop, I'm not a fan of goat cheese, but I'm going to give this a go. I'm thinking kind of like the cranberry juice or cranberry sauce might lessen the goat cheese taste, but let's see. It's really hot. I can still really taste the goat cheese. If you like goat cheese though, I can see how this would be very good. I don't hate it though. I think that this would be like a nice summer dinner. Seems like the going trend in the last couple videos, but I do think that this would be really good with like a nice fresh salad. It's quite easy to put together. It doesn't take a lot of time. So again, this is like a good healthy alternative for a quick fast meal. So just a reminder, I got the recipe from this book. I will have a link in the caption. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.